everyone. Okay, so sorry I've been away for a couple of days. I've been out of the office. I managed to get a little bit of screen time yesterday, but not much. I missed a train, and then I wasn't a big fan of that. So kind of wind me up a little bit. So I'll try not to revenge trade today. Right. So coming into today, we have obviously a big push away yesterday. Um, Gutted about that because I missed that on EU. I think GU probably wasn't as good. It's been a bit rangy GU. I wasn't even going to do the GU Outlook, to be fair, but yeah, I've been a big push away. So what I'd kind of want to see after that momentum is that going to be the signal of a down trend. So we've had this big push away. It's filled this gap. Are we going to push into here and then come way down? We now took the low of the previous day. Like if it's going to be going in trend, ideally I want to see this get taken, and then it's going to push further down to here. I mean, you could say we have hit a demand now. So is it like that's the argument for the other way? You've always got to have arguments for both ways. So we have pushed down. I ideally, with how this has been, this front leg's formed, I'd want to see it push more down into this bit here. Obviously, we've been trending down, trending down, trending down. Where does it make more sense to go? I think probably down here, fill these gaps. It's filled one gap here. Let's come back, got reaction. It's probably going to come back down here. So that's what I will probably aim for down there. Looking at the 4 hourly, yeah, obviously we've got like a break structure in here, so we are interacting with this demand here. Yeah, we're interacting with that demand. It could very well just pop up from there. So probably will monitor it here, but just looking how the week has formed. A high, a high here on a Monday. Is this going to be the high of the week? It looks possible. Like the low of the week on a Thursday for it to reverse up. Probably not. So we're just going to have a little bit of a short-term pullback, then pull down. That's what I would expect it to do. So we are getting the reaction from here. So yeah, I'm probably just going to say we're probably going to go somewhere. It might get a reaction from that. Might get a reaction from that. You know what I mean? There's a lot of I think we're going to get a short-term pullback, short-term pull-up, and then it pull back. That's what I think is going to happen today. Just where, I don't know, because it's a bit of a falling leg. It might just come into this gap, might come to one of these zones here. It might come all the way back up here, you know. But on Thursday, it might retrace all the way back up here and then reverse. But that's what I'm going to see it as now. So I'll leave it at that. Um, Summary for the day: possible short-term pullback to align for a bearish push.